Hey everybody. So today on the homestead was a very stressful day. And for those of you who have aspired or just starting out or are seasoned homesteaders or farmers, you probably already know this. And who knows, maybe my complaints are going to seem petty to you, but um, it is not easy starting out. It's not, especially if you're trying to do it on your own. I mean, we've got a farm number through the USDA. We're waiting for our walkthrough on that to be able to be eligible for some of the grants that the USDA has. But trying to self finance a lot of these things when you're starting out, it's not easy. And it's not for the faint of heart. And you're going to have hard days. Today's been one of those days. In fact, I'm getting ready to go crack open a nice bottle of red and enjoy some wine, watch some baseball, and try to clear my head. Um, it's not easy. It's not. Now, we've put a lot of hard work into this, and getting started is always the hard part. And I'll tell you this, after years of consulting on political campaigns, nonprofits, even for small businesses, I always encourage people to stick it out. Because just like with hikers, a lot of hikers that have been lost in the woods, they're usually found pretty close to where they were lost from, pretty close to the final destination, or pretty close to the trail. A lot of businesses and nonprofits and campaigns and stuff, they they end up failing because right when they quit is right when they are getting ready to just take off and reach success. Where we're at right now is we're just in the growing phase of our homestead, and like I said, it's not for the faint of heart. There's gonna be rough days, and anyone who tries to paint it as this wonderful fairy tale ending, um, it's not realistic because you have to struggle. You have to, like us vets say, you got to embrace the suck before you can get to the good stuff. And so, right now, we're feeling the growing pains. We're feeling the effects of this drought. It is insane, despite the fact that we got rain last night. So, um, should be an encouraging message to those who are also struggling and starting out. Look, stick with it. Don't quit ever. Be resilient. Dig in. Do what you can. Use all the resources available to you. Um, Never lose sight of your dream because it can be successful as long as you stick in it and you don't quit. Um, I'm here for you. We love you. We appreciate you. Those who support us and those who are aspiring to this lifestyle, we're all in the fight with you. And so, anyway, like, comment, subscribe, shop with us at motherloversecomarket.com, and ultimately, thanks for being a mother lover.